Hello everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and get your Roblox user ID on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video for the matter. So first of all, if you want to do that, what you gotta do, first of all, you gotta go access your mobile's Chrome and the browsing app. That can be anything according to your phone. Then if you go to search bar, simply gonna go ahead, tap on this roblox.com. Once you have searched it up, you can find this first search option. Go ahead, tap on it. And now once you have tapped on this, we're gonna go ahead, tap on this continue in browser instead of app. Once we have done that, then we will have to log into our browsing site. We can go ahead, enter our username, ID and password. Then we will again tap on this continue in browser. Now we are logged in over here, right? Once we're successfully logged in, then we're going to tap on our profile icon on top, and once it has accessed our profile icon, then we tap on this URL above. You can see this URL, right? And then we're simply gonna go ahead, copy this, gonna go back and simply open up a notepad, or you can simply paste your copied URL. We're gonna tap on this icon and we're simply gonna go ahead, paste. And once we have pasted, you can see this users, and if you see this number, and this number is basically your user ID, URL, the search link bar, you will be able to see your user ID from there only, and you can simply copy and check it. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.